Hello and welcome from the Institute of Quantitative Technology. This video will show how to install and update Advantage. 1. There are two key steps to installing or updating Advantage. Download the latest installation file from the IQT website, from https://theiqt.com/advantage-download. Install the downloaded file to your MT4 folder. 2. If you are installing for the first time, you may need the following two extra steps. Locate your MT4 folder and find your license key. Configure the Expert Advisors tab within MT4. 3. If you are updating your version of Advantage, repeat the two key steps from point 1. The IQT will email whenever there is a new beta version with new features. The previous version will also be available. We will now explain the key points further, specifically. 1. The two key steps for installing or updating Advantage. 2. Extra information on installing Advantage for the first time. 3. Extra information on updating your Advantage version. If accessing this video via the IQT website, you can click on each hyperlink to navigate to the relevant section. There are two key steps to installing or updating Advantage. 1. Download the latest installation file from the IQT website, from https://theiqt.com/advantage-download. 2. Install the downloaded file to your MT4 folder. Here we demonstrate Step 1. Download. We click on the Secure Download button on the download page of the IQT website, i.e. https://theiqt.com/advantage-download. Note that our software is digitally signed by a Sectigo EV certificate, and our website connection is SSL, so the download is secure. So you can safely ignore any warning messages from your browser, operating system or antivirus program. We resolve any such messages with IT companies e.g. Kaspersky. Next we show Step 2. Install. We open the downloaded file, called install_advantage.exe. We overwrite the destination folder with the path to our MT4 folder and click Next. We then launch Advantage. If the installation program asks for a license key, we enter a license key from our profile page. Please let us know about any warnings you receive via an issue report, so we can resolve with the relevant IT company. Issue reports are at https://theiqt.com/advantage-report. You can verify that the installation has completed by inspecting the contents of your MT4 folder's MQL4 subfolder. The file, the IQT Advantage User Guide.pdf, should be visible. If you are installing for the first time, you may need the following two extra steps in MT4. 1. Locate your MT4 folder. This is most easily found within MT4 by clicking on File, Open Data folder. During installation, you will be asked to enter your license key. This is available on your profile page on the IQT website, at https://theiqt.com/my-profile. 2. Configure the Expert Advisors tab within MT4. This can be done by clicking on Tools, Options, Expert Advisors. Tick the Allow Automated Trading and Allow DLL Imports checkboxes. Here we show the first extra step, Step 1. Locate your MT4 folder and find your license key. Within MT4, we click on File, then Open Data folder. You may find it useful to select and copy the contents of the address bar of the location, i.e. for pasting into the Advantage installation program, when asked for a destination folder. Next, we show the location of license keys on your profile page. We navigate to https://theiqt.com/my-profile. You can see your license keys in the My Orders section at the bottom right of the page. Now we can show Step 2. Configure the Expert Advisors tab within MT4. Within MT4, we click on Tools, then Options. We select the Expert Advisors tab and tick the Allow Automated Trading and Allow DLL Imports checkboxes. We suggest ticking the other checkboxes as shown. If you are updating your version of Advantage, repeat the 2 key steps from earlier. You may be prompted to overwrite files. This is safe, only Advantage files will be overwritten. No system or MT4 installation files will be overwritten. Your license key file will not be overwritten. Advantage is developed on a perpetual beta basis. The IQT will email whenever there is a new beta version available, with new features based on suggestions and requests. This version will be updated based on any issues reported, and be made available as the previous version of Advantage, at the same time as the next beta is made available. Thanks for watching. Advantage and clickable videos are available at www.theiqt.com. Please like and share this video and subscribe to the IQT's channel on YouTube.